Good day, everyone. This is Chris with the Ancient Scholar. Today I'm going to be talking about accuracy versus precision. This is something that comes up quite a bit when we talk about tests, testing arterial blood gases, lab tests, tests to look at certain diseases, even statistics and literature. If you guys go on to take coursework in statistics, this may be helpful, but this will certainly be helpful in understanding a little bit about when we take a sample of blood. We test for certain values. What do they mean by accuracy? What do they mean by precision? Typically, people use these terms interchangeably, and I no doubt have probably used these terms interchangeably in my videos, but I do want us to at least appreciate the technical definitions of these terms and the differences. The differences are in fact subtle, and that's why it is fairly common to use them interchangeably in an interchangeable context, but I do want to go ahead and use them in a more technical and quantitative context. So when we look at accuracy, accuracy is basically a closeness of measurement to a certain quantity that's usually defined. For example, when we do our blood gas machines and we run controls on them, I put a control into that machine and it has a certain pH, for example. We'll just say and maybe the pH is 7.2, and we know that. We know that is a quantity that is known, and what we do is we run that control and we see what that machine tells us. Let's say the machine says that it's 7.5. Well, then we know that the machine is not very accurate, right? Because if the machine is accurate, what the machine measures should be a lot closer to 7.2. So that's what accuracy is it's basically a measurement of how close we are to a known quantity. Now, precision is somewhat similar, but the difference of precision is the repeatability of measurements. So let's say that I were to take that same sample, the control, and we know it's 7.2. That's the pH of that sample. And we put that sample in our arterial blood gas machine, and it reads 7.5. Well, it's not really accurate. So we run it again, and the next time it's 7.49. And then we run it again, and the next time it's 7.52. Well, what all three of those tests are certainly not accurate, right? It's nowhere near what the known quantity is. But my question is it precise? And in fact, the machine is very precise. There's repeatability, right? Every single time we run the control, it gives us a value of about 7.5 with just a very little bit of variation. So in fact, we would say that machine is very precise, but it's not very accurate. Now, ideally, we would like our measurements to be both accurate and precise. We need both things to occur to have a truly good measurement. Now, if you guys are a little confused, and I probably have no doubt that how I explained that was a little confusing, let's go ahead and use a different analogy. And so what I have here is I have a little drawing, and you guys at best just get used to my bad art now because it's only going to get worse as we go along in this course here. Okay, so what I have here is I have a target. Think of this as maybe you're at the pub and you're playing darts, and there's the bullseye in each of these targets. Let's look at this target here. It has a big P in front of it. It stands for precise. So I was trying to get the darts in the bullseye, and all three darts, boom, 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 went right here. Well, that is precise, right? Because all three are very close to each other. They're very close to whatever value that is, whatever value we want to assign to that. But are we accurate? No, because we want to be on the bullseye. That's a quantity, the known quantity that we're shooting for here. So we're off the mark, but all three times we threw the dart, boom, 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 very close. So we're very accurate, or we're very precise, but we're not very accurate. However, let's go down here and look at this one with target with an A in front of it. Stands for accuracy. So I threw my 3 darts here, and all 3 darts are actually pretty close to the bullseye. Would you guys agree? Fairly close to the bullseye. So this is much more accurate than this, but are they precise? And you can see that these are very spread out here. I have a dart here, a dart here, and a dart here, where all 3 darts are very close. So these darts are very spread out. So this, what I did here is much more accurate than what I did here, but this is not as precise as this. However, I give it my third try over here, and I have my 3 darts, boom, boom, boom. Well, what have you noticed? Well, I have my bullseye. Not only do I have 3 darts that are very close to each other, so not only is it precise, but all 3 are very close to this known quantity, the bullseye. So this is in fact precise and accurate. So hopefully that helped you guys make that differentiation between precision and accuracy. All right, guys, take care.